called Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in England now. And I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese. It's going to be fruits. This word is fruit. In Chinese, we say it in 水果.
水果, 水果. Wow, these are all my favorite fruits. 哇，都是我爱吃的水果。
This one is apple. We say in Chinese 苹果.
苹果, 苹果. I eat at least one apple each day. 我每天至少吃一个苹果。
And now I'm going to say mango. We say in Chinese 芒果.
芒果, 芒果. How to eat mangoes? 芒果怎么吃？
Strawberry. We say it in Chinese 草莓.
草莓，草莓。I bought some strawberries. 我买了一些草莓。
And the last one is watermelon. In Chinese is 西瓜.
西瓜，西瓜。Wow, what a big watermelon. 哇，好大的西瓜。
Banana. In Chinese, we say it 香蕉.
香蕉，香蕉。I like to eat apples and bananas. 我喜欢吃苹果和香蕉。
Papaya. In Chinese, we say it in 木瓜.
木瓜，木瓜。Mother cut a papaya. 妈妈切了一个木瓜。
Peach. In Chinese, we say 桃子.
桃子，桃子。The peach is very big. 这个桃子很大。
Durian. We say it in Chinese 榴莲.
榴莲，榴莲。I don't like durian. 我不喜欢吃榴莲。
Cherry. We say it in Chinese 樱桃.
樱桃，樱桃。Cherries are small and red. 樱桃又小又红。
Orange. In Chinese, we say it 橙子.
橙子，橙子。Do you want an orange? 你想要一个橙子吗？
Apricot. In Chinese, we say it 杏.
杏，杏。The apricots are ripe and sweet. 杏是熟的和甜的。
Pineapple. In Chinese, we say it in 菠萝.
菠萝，菠萝。I like to eat fresh pineapples. 我喜欢吃新鲜的菠萝。
Kiwi. In Chinese is 猕猴桃.
猕猴桃，猕猴桃。Kiwifruit is sour and sweet. 猕猴桃是酸甜的。
Pitaya. In Chinese is 火龙果.
火龙果，火龙果。Pitaya is a large red fruit. 火龙果是个大的红色的水果。
Fig. 无花果.
无花果，无花果。Fig tastes sweet as honey. 无花果像蜂蜜一样甜。
Lemon. 柠檬.
柠檬，柠檬。The fruit of the lemon is yellow. 柠檬的果实是黄色的。
Pear. 梨.
梨，梨。Is that your pear? 那是你的梨吗？
Hawthorn is 山楂.
山楂，山椰。Hawthorn is a very sour little red fruit. 山楂是很酸的一种小红果。
Coconut. 椰子.
椰子，椰子。We can drink coconut juice. 我们可以喝椰子汁。
Grape. In Chinese, we say it 葡萄.
葡萄，葡萄。This kind of grape is purple. 这种葡萄是紫色的。
Lichee. In Chinese, we say it 荔枝.
荔枝，荔枝。I want some lychees. 我要一些荔枝。
Plum. In Chinese, we say it. 李子
李子，李子。Have you ever eaten plums? 你吃过李子吗？
Pomelo, we say in Chinese, 柚子。
柚子，柚子。My mother likes to eat pomelos. 我的妈妈喜欢吃柚子。
Loquat, in Chinese, we say it in 枇杷。
枇杷，枇杷。I've never eaten loquats. 我从没吃过枇杷。
That's all for today. Bye!